Welcome everyone, I'm Christian Westergaard and I'm going to show you the latest update on the JustPay by i25s wallet. Firstly, I have two phones, and in my demonstration today what I'm going to do is to open up the freshly downloaded application. You'll find a link in the notes. And then I'm going to transfer 100 test tokens from the one phone to the other phone. So firstly, I'll open up the app, and in here, you'll see it was actually quite fast, but what you'll usually experience is that it takes between 10 to 30 seconds for the network to generate a test wallet and to issue 500 test tokens for each of the phones. That is what you saw that came through now. On the one phone where I want to receive the tokens to, I'm going to hit the receive because that generates an address that I can use to send tokens to. That can either be copied into a text message, that can be sent into an SMS or via email, or since I have the two phones next to each other, I'm actually able to go in here, hit send, and in here I can find with the camera, I can tap the QR code scanner, and it will immediately go in and find the address. And now I'm able to hit next and enter the number of tokens that I want to send, so the 100. And when I hit send, let me just go out here before I do that. When I hit send, you'll see, well, that is, that now it's actually already queued on the network. And right now it has a yellow refresh item. So I'll just let the network do all the magic itself. And what we'll see is that within half a minute, that this will turn into a check mark, and then that means that the transaction has gone through. That happened just now, and you can also see the balance has been updated from 400 on the one phone to 600 on the other phone. This was a very basic demonstration. There's a lot more to it, and there's a lot more inside the app that I would like for you to go and explore. One thing that you'll notice immediately if you compare to the last version of the app is, of course, that we have done something to the design, so it's a bit smoother and it's a bit easier to work with. This is all for now. There's more to come very soon.